Hey everybody, welcome back to Craft Sports. My name is Daryl, and today we're going to be looking at the gorgeous 1999 Nissan Skyline R34 GTT. This GTT has a few tasteful aftermarket accessories that were installed by the original owner in Japan, like this URAS front bumper. It's accompanied by 18-inch Weds Sports aluminum rims, as well as the URAS side skirts. This Skyline has a gorgeous sunroof, as we make our way to the iconic R34 rear end. You'll notice the aftermarket exhaust. The rear end is very aggressive, very gorgeous. Let's take a closer look inside. This GTT has a momo steering wheel, and this R34 was manual swapped by the original owner, but still retains that OEM Nissan cluster. NISMO shift knob, electronic gauges, really nice automatic pop-out infotainment system with the built-in GPS. Dashboard's got no cracks, no bubbling, no fading. Let's pop the hood, pop the trunk. Sharp eyes may notice from the color of the engine bay that this R34 was originally silver, but the owner opted for gorgeous white. This GTT is powered by the legendary RB25DET NEO turbocharged engine. And you'll notice the aftermarket BLITZ intercooler, the aftermarket BLITZ Air Cleaner, a few other tasteful options. As we get to the trunk area, just like all other cars at Craft Sports, this unit comes with a plethora of service records, OEM booklets, extra set of keys. Give us a call, 239-248-95